without him, I don't think I would. And not just looking after them, looking after me.
For me personally, like I got a good amount of time with them. Like when they're like 6 months or 7 months old, I've been at home for the last 5 months. I'm spending every day, every moment with them, like not giving a damn about anything else.
They were going to be born on Jan 2nd. Timing exactly telidu. So we went to the hospital. Within 1.5 hour, babies were born. We had lot of plans actually. Babies puttinappudu Omkaram play cheyalani. So we had certain things. We went there, doctor said, actually వాళ్ళు చెప్పినప్పుడే మాకు గుర్తొచ్చింది, we wanted to play that and all of that. But the moment we went into the operation theatre, we forgot. We created a playlist, we forgot about that, we forgot about everything once the process started. And it was very quick, obviously, because it was a cesarean. So first Advaitni చూపించారు. He was crying like anything, but both of us were equally crying. And it wasn't like we were crying, it was just అంటే ఇప్పటికీ ఆ వీడియో చూసుకున్నా లైక్ ఐ థింక్ వీ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ టియర్స్. సో అండ్ దెన్ Advik came.
I think
Advik was born in a wheel. So it seems it's rare. Typically babies being born in a wheel. So everyone were like, oh okay, ఇంకా ఎక్కువ అటెన్షన్ వచ్చేసింది సెకండ్ బేబీ వచ్చాక. But then both of them were crying quite a lot. We were crying and then they got them to us, cleaned up, got them to us, and then I think we did not leave them for so long. We were just holding them and I think 2 days, 3 days straight we did not sleep.
But we never felt we
did not even blink an eye.
It just
and like obviously no help because only both of us could stay at the hospital.
So
and we just did not sleep. We were just taking care of babies 3 days straight. And it was like etla tired avaledo we don't know. Intiki vachaka padipoyamu, but there
it was magical. So.
it was
and the funny thing,
he is more mom to them than I am. And అనిపించింది at one point.
It's okay.
So I think he was
it's
he's
emotional.
too good.
It's okay. And we were worried like babies ki etla snanam cheyinchalani, but I think that was the most easiest
thing that I did. And I really enjoyed. First వాళ్ళు కదలనంత సేపు రోల్ ఓవర్ అవ్వనంత సేపు I enjoyed giving them bath. ఇప్పుడు కూడా one thing is, for me personally, I wouldn't have survived this 1 year without this person. And
it's okay.
and I think it's been 4 years since we met, 3.5 years since we got married, but the bond that we had only grew when we became parents. I mean grew so much that it just is not two persons anymore laga ayyanta bond perigindante. It was because of parenthood. I think I don't know, he just transformed into this one selfless. He was always that, but then you don't visibly see it all the time because you are just two, and there are not many instances you see that. But once the kids came, I think the amount of selflessness he had, the amount of work he did, literally I think every day
everyone did. Okay.
And even my parents would agree that the most credit out of everyone ever who gets it will be him, because
he both of us.
And
of course, like first time holding them, it's again Yeah, I mean, I can't even explain how I felt, but all I know is like I started crying, and she was crying, and I like looking at her. I started crying, but yeah, happy moments. So.
One thing is this was not according to our plan, but then he totally transformed into a father just like that.
Yeah,
And that was the totally unexpected.
అదే వీళ్ళకి బయటికి తీసుకోవడము లిఫ్ట్ ఎక్కల్ల బయటికి పోవాలా పొద్దున్నే చేతులు బయటికి పోవాలా బై 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 అంటాడు.
Heard your footsteps, and that's when I knew today I'll fly.
She used to see them over camera, like, you know, even a small thing, like even if he skids, if he slips and falls down, I used to get a call like, "Oh, kinda paddada." And I was like, "Are you working or are you watching us on the camera?" So you're spying. So she was like so protective. So.
To the wide fields of green, the world went by like a dizzy bird. I feel.
అట్లీస్ట్ నేను ఎప్పుడు నాపీ చేంజ్ చేయలే, ట్రై చేయలే. బట్ సడన్గా నర్స్ వచ్చేసి లైక్, యూనో, కెన్ యూ చేంజ్ ఎ నాపీ అంటే లైక్ న్యాచురల్ ఇన్స్టింక్ట్స్, ఐ థింక్ ఐ డిడ్ ఇట్ సో రైట్. షీ వాజ్ లైక్ సర్ప్రైజ్, లైక్ ఇస్ దిస్ యువర్ ఫస్ట్ టైం చేంజింగ్ ఎ నాపీ? ఐ వాజ్ లైక్ yes, but like you nailed it. So I think yeah, fatherly instinct kicked in.
Basically, I want them to be happy. Initially there were moments like when we used to see them when they were about to fall asleep. They used to literally look at us as if we're their whole world.
Whole world, yeah.
And whenever that happens, you just get that boost. You're like, okay, నేను ఏమన్నా చేసేయగలుగుతాను అన్నంత, like it used to feel like that. And
So
I think
they are the catalysts which kind of like, you know, trigger
kept
that
us going.
Yeah. Every day, like, you make a lot of memories, but I think so for me is like, you know, when they sleep on me, so it's like it feels so peaceful. I feel like, you know, looking at them like, you know, like I want to kiss them and all. So I think for me, every day I make memories, but for me the one memory that like always will be with me would be the moment they sleep. And when I'm trying to put them to sleep on the bed, like they're so peaceful, so calm. I think that's something, I mean, yeah, it's very precious for me. Like, at least I won't forget that because yeah. last 4-5 months. So generally 6-7 months ayaka they start recognizing people and they start identifying objects and all kada. So generally like I am someone who's very hyper. సో నేను హైపర్ ఉండడం వల్ల వాళ్ళు కూడా కొంచెం హైపర్ అవ్వడం స్టార్ట్ అయ్యింది అనుకుంటున్నా. బట్ బోత్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్ ఆర్ వెరీ నాటీ. ఒక్క దగ్గర ఉండరు, వదిలేస్తే
ఇప్పుడు లైక్ నౌ హీ లెర్న్ రోజు కొత్తది నేర్చుకుంటారు. అవెన్ ఇట్లా పట్టుకొని హీ టేక్స్ ఆఫ్ ది లెగ్స్ ఆఫ్ ది ఫ్లోర్. సో హీ వాంట్స్ టు హ్యాంగ్ అట్ దిస్ ఏజ్.
సో ఐ మీన్ దే ఆల్సో
ఎక్కడి నుంచి నేర్చుకుంటున్నావు ఇవన్నీ? సో
సమ్ క్రెడిట్ టు మీ. సో బట్ అండ్ ఆల్సో నేను లైక్ యాక్టివ్గా WWE నేర్పిస్తున్నా ఇద్దరికి. సో
he calls
them
Advait
like as
dinosaur.
And I call Advik as rocket. So I mean dinosaur is something extinct and rocket is something like, you know, you hope for the future. So the past and the future is like, you know, they are that for us. So I mean, and I expect them to do amazing things in life. So probably I mean we both can ensure that happens. So happy first birthday. I mean, thank you for choosing us. Hope we'll make this life amazing for you. So
yeah, I think this birthday will be the most memorable day for us in general. I don't know, but yeah, I think very, very happy birthday.
Yeah,
like I think you made us a very happy
people. Yeah,
and
you made us really, really proud, and we love you guys a lot.